Itong Barangay Nebra, gusto nila maging tatlo. Ito si Jun Lipot against Richard Del Rosario. Uy, ang ganda ng depensa ni Richard Del Rosario. Super Volcasil tapal by Del Rosario who has three fouls already.
Ito, 5-on-4 situation ito. Bago
Pero
dumadating na si Jun Lipot.
ito si Paolo Mendoza. Balik ulit kay Adriano. Paolo Aquino, the kick out to Paolo. Hey! That's a PLDT IDD long distance shot. At lamang na ng 8. Biggest lead in the game by Santa Lucia at 43-35. At nakita niyo naman yung PLDT IDD long distance shot and we have this timeout. Dr. Trust in the